We've all seen the videos telling you to walk into a dealership and demand a discount. But when it comes to buying an electric vehicle, aggressive showroom tactics are completely outdated. But a low sticker price is just your baseline. The real magic happens when you stack structural incentives.
Buying a qualified used EV under $25,000 unlocks a federal tax credit up to $4,000.
You don't have to wait until April to see that money. It acts as an immediate down payment.
Claim up to $4,000, the specific VIN must qualify. The dealer has to run. The dealer has to register that exact number directly with the IRS, or your tax credit drops dead. If you try to negotiate a luxury EV down to a working class budget, you'll lose every time. But understanding lease returns and battery diagnostics can save you thousands without arguing. Let's talk about the absolute sweet spot for middle-class budgets, the 3-year-old lease return.
The first owner took the massive, brutal hit of initial depreciation.
When an EV comes off a 3-year lease, it enters the used market at a fraction of its original MSRP. Mechanically, this is where EVs shine compared to standard combustion engine wear. In a gas car, thousands of moving parts experience heat and wear. In an EV, it's solid state.
Never buy a used EV blind. Plug an OBD2 diagnostic scanner into the port or demand a certified telemetry report. Checking the true state of health prevents you from inheriting a degraded battery.
Liquid-cooled packs retain roughly 90% to 95% after 3 years.
True battery efficiency depends on internal resistance management. Minimizing chemical impedance inside the cells allows the pack to transfer energy with virtually zero wasted heat.
Because of regenerative braking, your brake pads can easily last twice as long as a gas car's. When you factor in a structural maintenance reduction over 40%, the long-term cycle gets incredibly cheap. And don't stop at the federal level. Many consumers overlook regional utility companies. Because power companies want you on their grid, they frequently offer localized installation rebates. Before you step onto a lot, you need a localized incentive sheet in your hand.
This brings us to the ultimate metric, total cost of ownership, or TCO.
Dealerships want you focused exclusively on the monthly payment. We want you focused on the cost per mile.
When you charge at home during off-peak hours, you bypass the volatile oil market completely.
But true middle-class affordability hits a major roadblock for apartment tenants and condo residents. Without a private garage, accessing cheap overnight electricity rates is nearly impossible right now. Until local policies enforce multi-family charger installations, relying solely on expensive public fast chargers, real equity means building chargers where people actually live. But the workaround is already here. Local electric cooperatives often offer deeply discounted community charging rates. Local utility networks deploy faster Level 2 plugs, right on the corner for public access. Smart middle-class drivers are also looking upward to employer programs. Corporate office parks are rapidly installing daylight charging stations, letting you fuel your commute for free or at cost while you work. You can also top off where you already spend your time. Our Nestle centers are nesting chargers into regular storefront stalls, matching your fuel stops to your shopping habits.
The real power isn't in how loud you talk. It's in the data you bring to the table.
Follow the EV Files for more cyber leaks. We will see you on the next episode.